So what I'm interested in is all these.
Yeah.
Just all of them. I did the math. I think it's like 23 you've got on all of them. And all the records. What could you do me for all that?
Mary.
Inside yard sale. It says garage, but there's no. It says come in. But I'm don't know. Could be an interesting one.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Which one? The black one with the squiggles on it? Two marks. We can make you a deal on those.
Those are crazy looking. They're so cool. This grandma thing is just crazy. Like, is it part of a...
neatest thing for somebody that knows how to do that stuff. And this one
is it like something you build?
Yeah, this one includes the pattern, so you just build that.
I've never even heard of something. Oh, so you make the...
Yeah, you make like the body and fill it, and then the arms and the legs.
That's cool. Dolls by Gertrude. Huh.
On the gel?
I think those masks are so picky. Mine's fine.
Those are cool. Is it two for this one and all these ones? Or is this one separate?
Just have them all.
Okay.
Have at it.
Alright, I'll do that. I'm not going to carry them around. But I'll take them. They're spoken for. I do like old cups.
The whole box there's $2.
Ooh.
Evidently they like mugs.
That's cool. I like old Starbucks mugs too. Oh, that's 1980. Yes.
The whole box is $2.
I know, but I don't want them. I know you just want them gone, right?
Yeah. You picked it up.
I'm catching on now.
You don't have to pick and choose. You get the whole box.
Alright, whatever.
You got a garbage can at home, don't you?
I do. Like these tall plastic cups. I already have so many of those. But whatever. I need the box anyways.
You need a bigger box. Another box.
She's got the other stuff. Oh yeah, there's more back here. We got cash stuff.
Oh,
These two, if they'd rather be drinking tequila.
I like
yes.
that one.
Here
Not
you go.
And they had more.
I almost
Oh, we all come here.
chocoholic.
All yours, buddy.
Oh boy.
Let me find you another box.
Yeah, okay. What's the lowest you do on like those doll heads and legs?
Oh, on those dolls?
Just that one shelf with the granny and the clown. If I took that whole shelf off your hands. Yeah.
Dinner ready in there?
23. How about $15 for all?
He's talking country, he ain't
Okay.
gonna-
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'm so intrigued by them. I can't.
$15 for this.
Is that good?
I'm trying to get you a box.
Yeah. Okay.
Not mine, I don't care.
Okay. So and then this collection here,
Okay, we got $2 on that, right?
$2 on the cups, and then $1, and then 5.
Okay. So would we say you have 5?
So would you do 20 for these and the dolls? Yep. 20 bucks.
You good man?
Your junk is now my junk.
You're our junk now, buddy.
I like how I got all glass too. I'm gonna break half of it.
Newspaper wrapped
Jeez.
around with about a roll of tape on each one.
Is someone buying all these Monopolies, or did you just pull these out?
They were in that microwave. Oh.
Are they for
Still
sale?
shopping?
I mean, I like games. Are these for sale?
Sir, about $1 a piece.
$1 a piece. Let's see.
This is nice.
Hangman.
I love these vases. That would be the too.
I like the vases, but I do flowers. And my granddaughter would fall in love with that.
Are you still shopping, or you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'll take these 3 right here. Let's see. Alright, I got 5. Change for 5.
Probably so. You don't want Texas Hold'em?
No, actually, I already have Texas Hold'em.
You want another?
No, one's probably enough.
How about your brother? How about your brother?
He might want them.
Are the green dishes in?
Dude. Can't get it. Oh, these are like Cracker Jacks.
What?
How much are these records? $1. She's shopping over here.
Is he still here?
I am still buying. I want to buy more stuff in here, but I need some negotiation. Come look at this stuff. So what I'm interested in is all these.
Yeah.
Just all of them. I did the math. I think it's like 23 you've got on all of them. And all the records. What could you do me for all that?
Mary. Elizabeth.
Oh, and I didn't count this or this, so I guess 24.
Oh, we might throw that in.
Yeah.
Okay. All these games are 23.
These
You want
here
all
and
that
over.
in the records. What kind of deal you give them on? All those games are 23.
And then the records, you have $1 a piece. I think there's like 15, 16 of
20
them.
bucks.
20 bucks for all of it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, I'll do it. Deal. You're a good bargainer.
I should have given you. You should have just told him.
I think my wife's gonna want more, but okay. Thank you.
I'm glad somebody bought this. I think it's cute.
That's awesome. I'm hanging that right in my bathroom.
Did he buy that?
Yeah.
You know what? You have to give it to your brother for Christmas. That's what you do.
All right, guys. So let's go over what I got at that yard sale. I got quite a bit. It was an indoor yard sale. It was pretty fun. I'm not sure about any of the stuff I got there. It's all pretty questionable. So let's take a look. All right, so the first and creepiest thing I got was this granny doll kit. Comes with the head, the hands, and the legs. And I guess you like build out using something like this. This is like a doll dress pattern. So you build out the doll body and you attach it to the granny. I got a bunch of these doll kits. I got this little ceramic looking one with the legs, this lady, and then I got this weird creepy clown with the feet and the hands, and then this baby. Now, I looked up this one. I had the hardest time finding it. It looked like it originally is a mold someone sold, and then you would actually cast this yourself and paint it. So someone did some work on it. I looked on the back, and it says like Doll by Gertrude, number 3, copyright 1989, specialty molds. So someone bought that specialty mold and made this and then painted it, etc., etc. I found one similar to it. I think it was the granny. It might have been the grandpa. And it was selling for like $40. So not great. I assume maybe I get the same for the clowns. Maybe I get 40 and 40 on those two. These, I don't know. I don't know anything about them. I got to try to research them. Let's say I can get 20 and 20. So I think it's probably $100 worth of stuff. I can't even remember what I paid for it because it was about a week ago. But it'll be in the video, so you'll know exactly what I paid for it. Don't mind my table and the paint all over it. This is my work table in my garage. Also got a bunch of records. I don't know if any of them are worth anything, but she threw them in with the purchase of board games and stuff that I got. So, you know, I took them. I'll go through them and sell them somehow. Maybe I'll do like a big bundle. Also got these board games. And I bought them separately. I think I bought Yahtzee and Monopoly together, I think, for a couple bucks. And Rumikube? I don't know how you say that. And Aggravation, maybe. No, maybe not. That might have been with the other kit. Because I bought this bundle of the puzzles. That puzzle, this puzzle. These little model kits and Aggravation, I think, for all that and the records, I paid like 15 or 20 bucks. But I can't remember how much. I also got an outlandish amount of cups. I thought these cups were cool. I've since learned they're only worth about 10 bucks a piece. So I'll probably bundle them all together for 30 or 40 bucks and see what I can get. The rest of the cups I got because it was like Hardee's from 1980. But apparently a lot of people collected cups from Hardee's in 1980. So they're pretty common. They're also worth like 7, 8 bucks. I got this because I thought it was funny. Pretty good. I thought I had hit the jackpot with this specifically. This right here, this International Transtar model. I looked it up online and like brand new it sells for like $250. Used it sells for like $150, but then I open it and it's just a pile of random crap. You've got these like broken car models that are basically trash. They're all broken. I mean, I don't think these are worth anything. Garbage. These are like models that were poorly done. Bad paint jobs. I mean, probably worth nothing. So here's the actual big show. It's the truck. But it looks broken as far as I can tell. Yeah, look at that. So that looks like pieces are ripped off of it. I mean, you got some... These are probably part of it too. I mean, the whole thing looks busted. So this might be a throwaway. I don't know what to do with it. It all looks damaged. Ugh, it's very disappointing. I'll go through it and see. Maybe all the parts are there, but I'm pretty disappointed in that. These 3D puzzles looks like they're worth 15 to 20. So I got 1, 2, 3. I'll look and see if they're all there. Put them all in a lot for 40. Maybe someone will buy them. Yahtzee, missing pieces. I looked at Yahtzee and it was missing all the dice. So, yeah, this might be my worst yard sale in a while, to be honest. I really thought I had a bunch of great stuff. And it's not that good. I mean, here's the thing, though. If I can sell these doll kits, that might be my saving grace. Because I do think these doll kits are worth something. As creepy as they may be, maybe I can... They're going to be hard to ship, though. I don't know. Maybe I'll post them local or something. I'm trying to think of what I paid there total. I think my total spent was only like 40 bucks or something along those lines. I'll have to do a tally and insert it in the video here or something. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get my money back. I just don't think there's any stellar profits here. I think it's a bit disappointing. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully the next one is better. The weekend's coming up, so I'm hoping to get a lot more footage. Thanks for watching.